हेलो रीन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्वालाइट के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस। देखिए, जो एक्वालाइट के एमसीक्यू जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, इस वीडियो में हम टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। और ये ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट राउंड है, जहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड होते हैं वो होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन एप्टीट्यूड, डीएसए, ओएस, डीबीएमएस, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स एंड सी प्लस प्लस एंड जावा आउटपुट से। इससे इन्हीं टॉपिक से हमारे पास क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलते हैं राउंड 1 में, ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट राउंड में, जहाँ पे आप एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। चलिए एक एक करके क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करते हैं। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द वर्स्ट केस टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ क्विक सॉर्ट। सो क्विक सॉर्ट बेसिकली बिकम अ वर्स्ट केस व्हेन द पेयोट always become the smallest or largest element and creating an unbalanced position. So the example is sorted array plus choosing the first element as a pivot. So the correct option here, the worst case, is option number C, big of n square. Now, question number 2, which data structure is used in breadth first search? So for breadth first search, BFS explores nodes level by level, and so it is used queue. In queue, it is the FIFO, first in, first out. So option B is the correct one for the data structure that is used breadth first search. Now, question number 3, what is the time complexity to search a element in a balanced binary search tree? So the correct option here in balanced binary search tree havens the search space at in tree level. Sorry, at every level. So the correct option here is option number C, big of n log n. N log n is a time complexity to search an element in the balanced binary search tree. Which data structure is best for implementing a recursion? So for implementing the recursion, the best data structure is stack. Option C is correct one, because recursion use the call stack to store function call. That's why the correct option here is stack. Now, what is the maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of height h? The correct option here is option number C, because for a full binary tree, the maximum node will be a 2 to power h plus 1 and minus 1. It is the correct one for a full binary tree. So the maximum number of node in a binary tree of height h is option number C. Now, which traverse of binary search tree gives sorted output? The correct option here is in order, because in BST, in order follow left, then root, then right procedure for sorted under. The correct option here is in sorted traversal of binary search tree give the sorted output. Now, which time complexity of inserting into a heap? The correct option here is option number B, log n, because insertion may require hafify up and which move up the tree highest. So the correct option here is option number B. So height equal to log n. Option B is the correct one. Now, which algorithm is used for shortest path in weighted graph? So when we talk about shortest path in weighted graph, so it's come with the answer Dijkstra. Dijkstra algorithm is used to find the shortest path from source to all the node in the weighted graph. The correct option here, option number C. Now, which algorithm is used for minimum spanning tree? For minimum spanning tree, we use Crucial, because Crucial and Prism algorithm are used for minimum spanning tree. Now, which data structure use LIFO principle? So when we talk about LIFO principle, it use stack, and when we talk about FIFO structure, we use for queue. So when we talk about LIFO principle here, then correct option here is option number B. Now, which scheduling algorithm may cause starvation? When we talk about starvation, so the correct answer here is peyote scheduling, because low peyote process may never executed. The correct option here is peyote scheduling, and this scheduling algorithm may cause the starvation. Now, deadlock required how many conditions? So it is a basic question and it is a very easy question. Answer is 4. Four condition may required for deadlock. And what are the 4 condition? That is, first is mutual exclusion, second is hold and wait, and third is no prevention, and fourth is circular wait. That 4 condition is required for a deadlock. Now, which memory allocation suffer external fragmentation? So when we talk about Fragmentation, external fragmentation. The correct option here is option number B, segmentation. And segmentation allow variable memory block which cause fragmentation. Okay. Now, which page replacement algorithm replace the page not used for longest time? So the correct option here is LRU, and LRU means least recently used, and it is an algorithm that used to replacement the page that is not used for a long time. Now, which memory is fastest? So correct option here is cache memory. Option number B. Cache memory sit between the CPU and RAM. That's why the option number B is correct one. Now, which normal form remove partial dependency? When we talk about partial dependency, so the answer is 2NF. 2NF remove partial dependency on the composite key. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, which SQL command remove all the records but keep the data structure? So the correct option here is truncate. Truncate basically it's help to delete all the row quickly but keep the table structure. That's why option B is the correct one. Now, which key uniquely identify as a record? So the correct option here is primary key. Primary key is a uniquely identify each record in a table. Now, which join return all the record from both the table? The correct option here is full join. Full join return all the row from both the table. Now, which SQL calls filtered grouped record? So the correct option here is option B, having. Having filter the record after group by. Next question, which layer of OSI model is responsible for error detection and correction? So the correct option here is data link layer. Option number B. Does the data link layer ensure the reliability transmission of data by performing the error detection and correction using the technique like CRC? Okay, that's why option number B is the correct one. Now, which protocol is used to transfer file between the computer? So when we talk about protocol that help to transfer the file between the computer, the correct option here is FTP. FTP is a file transfer protocol that is used to transfer file between the client and server. Now, what is the default port number of HTTPS? So when we talk about default port for HTTPS, the correct answer is option number 4, D, 443. HTTP use port 443 and provides secure communication using SSL and TLS encryption. Now, which network device operate at a data link layer? Then when we talk about which network device, so the correct option here is switch, and switch work at layer 2, that is called data link layer, and it forward frame based on the MAC address. So the correct option here is switch. Switch device operated at a data link layer. Now, what does DNS stand for? DNS stand for domain name system. Option number B is correct option, and DNS convert the domain name into a IP address. Now, what is the output of this code? Just see here. द वेरिएबल ए, यहाँ पे जो वेरिएबल ए है, यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू है 5 है, और बी में क्या है, ए प्लस प्लस है. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, बी में ये जो वैल्यू है इंक्रीमेंट हो जाएगी. क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पे 6 हो जाएगी. ठीक है, बी में भी एक वैल्यू क्या हो गई हमारे पास 6 हो गई. ठीक है, बी में वैल्यू क्या हो गई यहाँ पे 6 हो गई, और जो बेसिकली ए है, ए भी की वैल्यू क्या हो गई यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट हो गई. ए भी ये हमारे पास यहाँ पे इंक्रीमेंट हो गई वैल्यू, यहाँ भी 6 हो गई, यहाँ भी 6 हो गई. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन, बिकॉज plus plus a increment the value of before assignment. So the correct option here option number B. Now, what is the output of this code? Just see, x equal to 3, the variable x hold the value of 3, and here it is the left shift and it is a multiplication by 2. So the value of x is 3, then it's left shift into 2, that is become 2 की power 2, that is 12 here. So option number B is the correct one. Okay, option number B is a correct one. Now move to the next question. What is the output of this code? Just see, variable a hold the value of 10 and variable b hold the value of 20. Just see, a and 10, sorry, a and b, the correct, what is the correct option here? Just see, a is, what is the and here, it is the binary and, so binary and here 10 and 20, the result become 0. So what is the final output here? 0. So what is the output of this code? just see, we just initialize the I, sorry, we just declare the I, and I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 3, or I plus plus. just, just see, semicolon ends the loop after loop finish I equal to 4. So what is the output here? Then output is 4. So अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे i इक्वल टू 1 है और i लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 है, तो यहाँ पे क्या प्रिंट होगा? i यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे आउटपुट क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे आउटपुट आएगा जब हमारे पास i इक्वल टू 4 हो जाएगा, और 4 बेसिकली यहाँ पे ये हेल्प करेगा लूप को फिनिश करने में। तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर पी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, बिकॉज सेमीकोलन ends द लूप एंड आफ्टर लूप फिनिश i इक्वल टू 4. So what is the output here? Option number B, 4. So what is the final result of this code? Just see, एक वेरिएबल है a में वैल्यू है 5, और यहाँ पे क्या है? a प्लस प्लस, ठीक है। a प्लस प्लस बिकम 5, जो 5 था वो बिकम हो जाएगा 6, ओके, ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 6 हो जाएगा। देन यहाँ पे क्या है? प्लस प्लस है। तो अब जो हमारे पास a की वैल्यू क्या हो गई थी? 6 हो गई थी। यहाँ पे क्या लगा हुआ है? प्लस प्लस a लगा हुआ है, तो ये क्या बन के हो जाएगा? 7 बन के हो जाएगा। तो व्हाट इज द आउटपुट, व्हाट इज द आउटपुट हेयर? तो जस्ट सी, अभी हमारे पास a क्या है? यहाँ पे 5 है, प्लस उसके बाद हमारा इंक्रीमेंट हो जो कि 6 बना, फिर उसके बाद प्लस प्लस है जो 6 था वो 7 बना, यानी कि 7। तो 5 प्लस 7 दैट इज 12। तो हमारा आउटपुट क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन। ओके, विच डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज यूज्ड इन DFS traversal? So the correct option here is stack. Stack used in DFS or recursion. That's why B is the correct one. Now, which is the highest of balanced tree with a node and node? So the correct option here is log n, and balanced tree maintain the height around log n. So the correct option here, option number B. Which algorithm is used for cycle detection in graph? When we talk about cycle detection in graph, so the correct option here is both BFS and DFS, and both traversal technique can detect cycle. That's why option C is the correct one. Now, which sorting algorithm has the best average performance? So the correct option here is quick sort, because average time complexity of quick sort is n log n, big of n log n. That's why option number B is the correct one. Now, which data structure is best for implementing a priority queue? So when we talk about priority queue, then option is heap, binary heap. Option B is the correct one. Binary heap provide the efficient insertion and deletion. So heap data structure is the best for implementing a priority queue. Now, which normal form remove transitive dependency? So the correct option here is 3NF, and 3NF remove the transitive dependency. Now, which SQL command is used to update records? The correct option here is update. Update modify the existing record. Now, which type of join return only matching rows? The correct option here is inner join. Inner join return only the row with matching values. Now, which key ensure entity integrity? The correct option here is primary key. Primary key ensured no null or unique value. Now, SQL calls used for grouping rows. The correct option here is group by, and group by rows with the same values. Now, which scheduling algorithm gives minimum average waiting time? So the correct option here is SJF. SJF is a shortest job first. It minimizes the waiting time. Now, which memory allocation technique eliminates the external fragmentation? So the correct option here is paging. Option number B is the correct one, because paging divides the memory into a fixed size page. Now, which OS concept allow multiple program to run simultaneously? The correct option here is multitasking. Option A is the correct one, and CPU switch between tasks quickly. Now, which algorithm avoid deadlock? The correct option here is Banker's algorithm. Banker's algorithm check a safe state. Now, which memory stored frequently used instruction? So instruction for which memory? We use cache memory, because cache memory improves CPU performance, and cache memory store frequently used instruction. Now, if 5 workers complete work in 10 days, and how many days for 10 workers. So the correct option here. So work is equal to 1 by 4 workers. So the correct option here is, so uh, what is the worker, how many worker here? 10 worker. Okay, how many worker is? 10 workers. So what is the correct answer here is, it's a orally based question, so option number A is the correct one. Okay, now what is the next number? We have 3, 9, 27. So just see, all are the multiple by 3. Okay, then 3 into 3, so multiply by 3, that is 9, then 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27, and 27 multiplied by 3, that is 81. Option number B is the correct one. Now probability of getting a number divisible by 3 on dice. So what's the correct answer here? Just see, number of divisible by 3, that is 3 and 6. So what is the probability of getting a number divisible by 3? That is 2 by 6. It means 1 by 3. So option B is the correct one. Now if A is equal to B 1 and B equal to 2 and C equal to 3, then dog equal to, just see here, dog equal to 4 and D equal to 4, O equal to 15, and G equal to 17. So sorry, 7. So what is the correct answer here? You should add all these things. Okay, you should add all these things because all are in a correct sequence here. Okay, ABCD की फॉर्म में यहाँ पे करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है. ए की अगर डिजिट बात करें तो 1 है, बी की डिजिट की बात करें 2 है, तो डॉग की डिजिट की बात करें तो यहाँ डी के मतलब 4 हो गया, ओ के मतलब 15 हो गया, जी के मतलब 7 हो गया. तो इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे, यही हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ so if the distance equal to 150 kilometers and time equal to 3 hours, and what is the speed? So what is the formula of speed? It is equal distance divided by time. So just see here, what is the distance here? What is the distance here? 150. And what is the time here? That is 3 hours. So what is the speed? So 150 into divided by 3, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So option number C is the correct one. थैंक यू एवरीवन. ये जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने यहाँ पे आपके सामने डिस्कस किए हैं, ये इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं और कुछ प्रैक्टिस के लिए हैं. और ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं एक्वालाइट के हैं, जहाँ पे जो टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड होते हैं वो होते हैं MCQ बेस्ड. जैसे कि एप्टीट्यूड हो गया, DSA हो गया, OS हो गया, DBMS हो गया, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स हो गया, एंड C++, जावा एंड C के आउटपुट्स हो गए. ये ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट राउंड के क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने अभी डिस्कस किए, वो है टॉप 50 क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू.